Okay, so guys, before y'all start to come for me, don't. It's like whenever I'm in an environment and I'm just living in the moment, I literally just get the B-roll and I don't do any of the A-roll. The A-roll is just like me actually like talking and giving you guys like the substance of the video. I don't know if y'all gonna get me filming on location or not because you never know with me. You know, I just be in and out with that. I want to go on and get on here because couple things. I think I'm going to change my posting days to Thursdays. I know I've been posting consistently on Wednesdays for a year, and that's like been the routine. But as you guys can see, like I get later and later and later on Wednesdays, and normally my videos come out at like 12 a.m. on Thursday, which is like I've been posting Thursdays for a while now. So I'm like, I'm just going to like fully navigate to Thursday. I hope that's okay with you guys, just so that I have more time to edit a video for you guys. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you guys a haul of the books I bought at McNally Jackson. McNally Jackson, I think I posted it in my New York blog a couple months back. That's my favorite bookstore in New York City. There's multiple locations, but my favorite location is the one in Brooklyn because it's just so stunning. It's so beautiful. What I really like about this location is the film books. They have a great film selection, and being a YouTuber, I always like to learn and like improve my craft. I really enjoy their film section, and they have a lot of good graphic novels, and they also just have a great fantasy section and even nonfiction and a children's section. So like those are like the top sections that I look at anyway when I go to a bookstore. I'm very much into fantasy. I've been like I'm a fan of Taylor Faye Reads. She's a influencer too. And she's kind of got me into thrillers, so like I'm dipping and dabbing into thrillers. So they do have a huge thriller section and mystery and thing like that. So it's just like a really beautiful, aesthetically pleasing bookstore and affordable. And so that's my favorite bookstore. And I love Brooklyn. And there it's inside of a mess hall. We didn't go to the mess hall because we ended up going to Cane's. But like if you want to just go there, get a book, chill downstairs in like the mess hall, like they have boba downstairs, they have Japanese downstairs. It's like just a huge like mess hall with a whole bunch of different types of food. If that's what you're into, check it out. Let's get into the haul. McNally Jackson. Okay. So the first book I got is Sell Your Story in a Single Sentence. This is basically like how it's a book on how to like like when people do like news and things like that and they have like that tagline or even like clickbait. But I feel like what this book does, it's like real clickbait. Like like when you see like a Hollywood movie and it's like I don't know, Color Purple meets Lion King, and then like you go see the movie and it's like The Color Purple meets Lion King. Like it's not clickbait. It's like a really good catchy title that is authentic. And so I want to get this because like there's so much that goes into like content, not just filming it, but also marketing it, thumbnails, like all the little nooks and crannies into getting better. So I got this because I'm excited to see how I can improve my titles of my videos. The next thing I got is, remember I said I like graphic novels. I got Coraline. They have a graphic novel of this. It's so cute. The art style on here looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like, I was like, wow. Are you guys seeing this? It's so cute. My little sister is pregnant with her first baby. She's expecting her baby. I'm praying it's an October baby, but we think the baby might come in November. But her whole pregnancy, she like watched TV and stuff, and I got a graphic novel so that she can read this. And it's October, so it fits the vibe, like spooky season. The next book I got is The Tainted Cup. And so this book, this cover is stunning. Like, I'm obsessed. And I got this book because the booktuber's name is Elliot Brooks. She recommended this. I am very much into fantasy. Fantasy, like, literally is like, that is like OG fiction that gets me going. And so this is a fantasy whodunit mystery. And so, and she said it's like kind of spooky. I don't know how scary it is. I don't know enough about it. Basically, it's a fantasy mystery. And so I was like, fantasy and mystery, sign me up. I'm getting that. So that is a 10 o'clock. And then the last book I got, the very last book I got is Uprooted. This book was recommended by the book Leo. I really like her too. Like, it's crazy. Like, if you guys watch my YouTube, like what I watch on YouTube, even though I'm a travel vlogger, I'm really into books. The book Leo, I really do also like her taste. And so she recommended this book as a fantasy. That's like a romantasy. That's a good romantasy because I do like romantasy. I've been looking for like another like fantasy romantasy, but like still like good, rich writing, you know? And so this book is an older, it was more popular, like I think in like 2015 or something like that. And I saw it in McNally Jackson. I was like, I'm gonna get it. So that's my book haul for what I did. And we'll go back into the video and showcase what we did for the rest of the night.